Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So this is a really random way for me to open a video, but so last night I did a video and I reviewed a product and I was super excited to try it, and I actually wound up really loving it. So by the title of this video, I'm sure you guys can already guess, but I did try out the face halo and I was so excited because during quarantine I have seen so many people talk about it and say how much they love it and how great it is, and I've never actually have heard of it. I kind of have, but I didn't know too much about it, so I purchased mine on Amazon and it's from Face Halo, sold by them and whatever. So I tried it out last night and I think it worked super good. I'm actually gonna still show you guys the video that I filmed last night, but I wanted to jump on here first because I wanted to show you guys something. I wanted to show you what my face looks like. I have bumps all over my face, especially over here. My face is literally on fire. I have it around my nose. I have it everywhere. I have all these bumps all over my forehead. Not so much on this side of my face where you can still kind of see it, but it's mainly over here. So I used it last night for the first time. It took my makeup off incredible. I was so shocked by it. And then I used my regular skincare routine. I used my Clarisonic, my face washes, the normal stuff that my skin never has any reaction to. And then I sat down in here and I put on my nighttime creams. And as I was doing it, I was like, I feel bumps everywhere. What's going on? And I had did my makeup earlier in the day when I put primer on and moisturizer. I didn't have any bumps anywhere. And then when I was putting on my nighttime stuff, I had a bunch of bumps. And then by the time I went to bed, my face literally was just completely irritated. So I don't know what caused it in the face halo. That was literally the only different thing that I used last night. Everything else I use all the time, and I've used the same stuff for months. So let me know down below if you guys have tried the face halo and this has happened to you. I'm gonna insert some pictures so you guys can actually see what my skin was looking like this morning and last night. It was just a hot mess, and I had work today, so I haven't been wearing makeup to work. I've just been using concealer because we've been wearing masks. But today my skin was just so red that I was like, oh my god, I can't go to work like this. So I put makeup on, and right now I literally just got out of the shower and this is what my skin is looking like. It is just so crazy to me. So I think the face halo worked amazing, but I don't know why I have this reaction. I am one to not get reactions to anything. The last time my face was ever this red and bumpy was when I was up in the mountains 2 years ago for a few days, and it was so dry and so cold, and then we were skiing and that kind of stuff, so that's why my face was super red and bumpy. But my face, you guys have seen me without makeup a million times on my channel, and I never ever have these red little irritation little bumps. So let me know if you guys have any tips or tricks. I was using my First Aid Beauty face wash tonight because that's for super sensitive skin, and I used my Drunk Elephant whipped moisturizer because that has super no fragrance, no nothing, and it's just a moisturizer. So that's what I use on my face, but I don't think I can use the face halo. There was something in there that did this to my face. So let me know down below if you guys have had any of these issues, or you know anybody that's had any of these issues. Let me know down below. I'm probably going to return mine, but I'm still going to show you guys how it did, because it did do a good job. So I don't have sensitive skin, so I don't necessarily want to recommend this product to people that don't have sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, I don't know if this definitely wouldn't work for you, because I don't have sensitive skin. I'm always changing my skincare, always changing different things I put on my face, and I never get reactions, thank God. And there was just something in this that gave me a reaction. I don't know what happened here, but like I said, I'm still going to insert the clips for you guys. You guys can actually see that I did love it and that it actually did do its job. It just gave me this crazy reaction. So I just want to let you guys know, I don't recommend it anymore. It was really cool, and I love the concept because I love not using makeup wipes. I thought it'd be so cool to not go through so much Bioderma and micellar water, but I guess I'm just gonna have to stick to what I've been using because this is crazy to me. But yeah, so I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys how my skin looks. I have this pimple here around my nose is super red. It's just, my skin is going through it right now. So yeah, so I'm gonna insert the rest of the video for you guys, but give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know if you have a face halo and if you've ever had this or whatever your thoughts are. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how it went. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to tonight's video. So it's actually like 8 o'clock at night. Super excited to be filming this video because I just got my face halo in the mail. So I've been seeing a lot of people talk about this. I know this isn't like new or anything, but I have been during quarantine seeing a lot of people talk about this and how much they love this and that. And over the recent months, I have migrated away from makeup wipes just because they like irritate my skin and they're not good for the environment. So I've just been like slowly like getting rid of them, and I've been using a lot of micellar waters, and I've been using a lot of like cleansing, oh there's my camera, using a lot of like cleansing balms like this one's from Pharmacy. This is pretty much what I use every night to take off my makeup. So I'm super excited to be testing this out. I do have like eye makeup on right now. I just tested out the Wink Stamp eyeliner. I did film it, and that's why my eyes look a little crazy, but I figured tonight would be perfect to test this out because I have like eye makeup on, I have like full face on. So yeah, I'm super excited to test this out. I got mine off Amazon, and I believe it comes with 2. This is what they look like. So it says the Modern Makeup Remover Original White, Non-Toxic, Reusable, Recycle. So super excited to open this. Instructions say just add water, remove makeup, wash and reuse. So it does come with 3. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Super cool. So I just used a headband to pin my hair back. So it says face halo works with either cold or warm water. The water loosens your makeup, allowing the halo tech strands to reach deep into your pores, remove and trap makeup. So I'm super excited to test this out. So like I showed you guys before, this is what it looks like. Let me wash my hands quick. Wet my face halo. I'm gonna start with my eye makeup because I do have like a bunch of black eyeliner on. So let's see. Alright, so what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to use it to take off my face makeup. So see. Alright, so this is pretty much all the makeup that came off, and it looks like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it looks like a lot of my face makeup is gone. The only thing that's not really gone is my eye makeup. That's because I haven't done that part yet. But yeah, most of my makeup is like gone. This is just my skin underneath. So I'm gonna use the other side. I'm gonna wet the face halo again. I'm gonna use this clean side to try to get off the eye makeup. So it's kind of working. This is just being a little stubborn, this liner. I'm barely putting pressure. I'm just kind of just tapping. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm really just tapping at it to try to get it off. And it's actually working. Like, I'm barely putting pressure. I'm just tapping around. You don't ever want to tug at your eye just because of how delicate the skin is there. It really broke it down, as you can see the liner like all over my face. So I'm going to use the same side. I'm going to do the other eye. I'm just, like I said before, just pressing very, very lightly. So pretty much all of my makeup is off. There is still a little bit on my face, which is totally fine. I mean, with makeup wipe, there still is residue, and with micellar water, same thing, there's still a little bit of residue. That's why you always gotta make sure you wash your face before you go to bed, because I'm sure there's still a ton of makeup on my face right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Caudalie foaming face wash. So this is how my skin looks after cleansing everything. I always have a little bit of makeup left over right over here, but that's normal for me because I don't really scrub my eyes super aggressively, so I just usually take a Q-tip and some Bioderma, and then that's gone in literally 2.3 seconds, so it's not a big deal to me. But look at all the makeup that this got off. Seriously, like, look at that. And this is the other side. Like, that's insane. I think this is awesome because it gets makeup off without having to use any soap or anything like that, and I love that, because especially when you go across your eyes. I have super sensitive eyes, so I don't want to get like soap or anything in there that's going to irritate them, so I love that all you need to do is just add water to this, and then it's like, poof, like done, like super cool. I would have to say I give this a thumbs up. I got mine off Amazon, like I said. I got 3 of them in this little packet, and they were $17, which is not bad. I mean, if you think about it, a makeup wipe, like a pack of makeup wipes, is easily $5, you know? So to get 3 of these for $17, something that you can reuse and save the environment and not damage your skin and just irritate your skin with makeup wipes, I think is freaking awesome. So do I recommend this to you guys? Yes, 1010%. I think this is awesome. I don't know, I really like it, and I feel like this would be great for taking off like face masks, you know what I mean, like any mud mask or any just like clarifying mask that you have on your face if you do use masks and stuff. I definitely think this would be perfect to remove it. I always kind of struggle, like kind of having to scrub my skin to get like those harder masks off, but I think using this I won't have that issue. But yeah, so I think this is awesome. Like I said before, I will link this down below for you guys, but I give this a A+, and this is probably going to be my new favorite little gadget. And so yeah, so that is all I have for you in this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Sorry about the fan. I know it's kind of loud, but I can't turn my light on without turning the fan on, so I do apologize. I hope you guys were able to hear me. I hope you guys were able to hear me okay. But yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!